Happy June, everyone. Happy summer. So, this video is guidance and insight into what is happening energetic wise the month of June. So, summer is here, and summer is really all about pleasure, play, and joy. So it is time for you, many of you, in a bigger way, to carve out time. Carve out time on a daily basis, and then maybe more on the weekend, your weekends, to do things that really light you up, that are fun, that are fulfilling, and bring you a tremendous amount of joy. And for me, that's stuff in the water. I love the ocean. I love to be in the ocean, whether it's snorkeling, whether it's just floating, goofing around with my sweetie. So for me, I'm going to be prioritizing a lot more time in the ocean for me. I also love live music. I love going out to dinner. So we'll be making that even more of a priority for myself. Maybe planning some weekend getaways. We're actually going away this coming weekend, exploring the Big Island more, since we are finally settling into our new home. So pleasure, play, and joy is the first theme for June. The second theme is continuing to shed the old. I know that some of you might be thinking, seriously, this is continuing. You know what, you guys, it's always continuing. We are always shedding the old. But this month, it's more of I'm gonna call it kind of a final shedding of some deeper core wounds that you've been working with over the past month or the past couple of months. Because June, with our summer solstice, is really about opening to the new in a bigger way. And for some of you, it's going to be new on a smaller scale. I'm going to say like a new chapter. And some of you, it's going to be a whole new damn book. So there is a lot of big shifting going on for many of us right now, myself included. And I'm really feeling this excitement. I've been really on a deeper level the past few months, even the past month probably, letting go of deeper layers of my sexual abuse wounds and it was my fault, and I'm bad, broken, and disgusting, and all of that gunk, right? All of those limiting beliefs that I took on given my past experiences. So shedding the old, like the snake skin, and that is allowing you to open up to new possibilities, new relationships, new career opportunities. Again, it's going to be a little bit different for all of you. Some of you are going to feel like, okay, it's going to be a chapter in the book. Some of you feel, again, it's going to be a whole new damn book for you. And I know many of you listening to this, I know who you are, and I know whether it's a chapter or a whole new damn book for you. So that's really exciting for me. So let's see what else. Deeper acceptance and compassion for ourselves. As many of you know, we are focusing in my community on the key number 2. You are lovable, worthy, good enough. And so we're going deeper into having that love and that acceptance and compassion and really embodying our worth. So we're all doing that, whether you're part of my free community, whether you're part of one of my paid programs. Just know that that's what we're doing on a larger scale this month. Deeper love, acceptance, and compassion for ourselves. Another theme is you have been working on, but it's going to be bigger this month for many of you, embodying, being in your body. Many of us disassociated from a very young age, given our wounds and our traumas. There was no other way to escape. So we disassociated, right? When the sexual abuse was happening, I left my body. Here's the deal. Those parts of us that left our body then unless we are working with them to come back and feel safe again, are still out there in the ethers. So we are getting opportunities this month to come into our bodies more. Now, for some of you, that might be feeling more pain or more, you might gain weight, heaviness. So our souls and our higher levels are giving us opportunities right now, big nudges, let's just say, and doing everything that they can to help us be in our body. And let me tell you what, there is nothing more to bring you in your body than pain or an illness or some other negative symptom. It's like you cannot not be in your body, right? It's impossible, right? Because if your body hurts so much or you feel it so much, that you have to focus on it. It's part of your journey. So if that's happening for you, don't freak out. Know that that's what's happening. You're being called to be back more in your body. And once that happens, and we want that to happen because our body is one of our biggest guidance systems. So this is a good thing, you guys. Just remember that once you make that transition, once you come back into your body and have stopped that pattern of dissociating, which I've been working a lot on even more, then that symptom will go away, whatever it is, the excess weight, the pain, the fatigue, whatever it is. All right. Oh, and for those of you that have been having, like for maybe a long time now, negative physical feelings in your body, illness, know that that's one of the reasons it's been happening. It's been a calling for you to come back into your body, be in your body fully now. We've agreed to be on the planet at this time, not to be living in the ethers. Okay. So we are here to be in this physical body on this planet. And here's the good news. You can experience more joy when you are more fully in your body. I work with lots of people that are like, Tanya, I do these activities and I experience maybe a little joy, but not to the extent that I want. And a lot of times it's because they're not in their body. And that was true for me as well. I can experience more joy now. I can feel it in my body, every cell, and more love as well, now that I'm more fully in my body. All right, so we've got if you want some deeper support this month with all of these themes, there are many ways you can do that with me. You can find those below. We've got our Expand Summer Solstice Celebration. You can join me for that. We've got the Release the 3 Ps, which are survival patterns that we are here to shed, to shift, to release. These patterns aren't bad. They just have been in extreme. So we're bringing them back into balance. And that's one of the things we're focusing on this month. So you can check out that program, as well as key number 2, you are lovable, worthy, good enough. And then if you'd like to go deeper into several keys or Ps, you can join me for the Catalyst program, which is a brand new program in the last month or two. So I'm excited about that. You can check out all the details below for any of those that you would like to. And I am just excited for June. It feels a lot lighter for me, even though there might be still some stuff I'm working through and shedding. But overall, I feel so much lighter. And I hope that you guys do as well. It is my goal to support you with that. Love you, and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.